Hello friends, let's talk about ngTemplate today. So we have already used ngTemplate in the previous videos where we have implemented this ng. So what we are displaying. So to display this batch, we have implemented this code, right? If ngif card ID is 2, then display this, or if it's not 2, then other batch. So this is template reference, and in that case, we are displaying this, right? 99 plus. So this is ng template use of one use of ng template. Now ng template is basically a block of code, you can say, uh, which gets rendered when instantiated. Right? Instantiated means until unless it is implemented or it is called from somewhere, this block of code will not get rendered on the HTML or Angular application. Right? So we have seen one use, like it is used in if else. Another use is like we can pass this ng template block of code to a component. So what we'll do, we will try to implement that in this video today, right? So you can see the batch. What I'll do, I'll remove this from here. And so this batch gets removed. Right? And now what we'll do, we will pass this as a template to card component from app component. So I'll go into app component. So I'll add this block of code which I removed from there inside ngTemplate in app component. I'll remove this else. Right. So this batch we are passing to card component from here. And we'll have to name this template. What we can say, message template, and we'll pass this as an input. And call it as a input message template. So now we are passing it as an input. So as you might have already guessed, right? So this is going as an input to card. So we will have to add an input decorator. And this input would be of type template reference. Template reference needs a type. So we'll pass it any. So we have added the input here. Now, so from app component, this input has come to card component. Now we need to use this in the HTML so that this template gets rendered over here. Right? So what we'll do, we'll use ngTemplate here as well, or ng container. So we have to output a ng template. You have to use ng container. So here is ng container, and in ng container we have to pass ngTemplateOutlet. And to this outlet property, we have to pass the input message template. So I hope you got the flow, right? So what we have done, we have defined some code template, a block of code in the app component, and we are passing it that code block as an input to the child component. And the child component, we are taking as an input, and then we are displaying or adding it to the HTML using ng container with property ngTemplateOutlet. Okay. Now let's see the output. So you can see here this batch got added, which we removed from the card component. So this is how ngTemplate basically works. See you in the next video. Thank you.